In the last few weeks, it feels like everything has changed.
We're all trying to figure this out together.
Even though things are uncertain.
I know we will get through this together.
And I know we will get through this together.
We will get through this together.
With a stronger downtown than ever.
So thank you for your support of our downtown businesses.
And we can't wait to see you soon.
As we sort through the economic impact and aftermath of the coronavirus, we all have a job to do. Now more than ever, we want to remind you of just how important it is to shop local, supporting downtown Chico businesses. Pickup orders are available at select restaurants, and you can shop your favorite retail stores online with personal shopping through FaceTime or over the phone, and pick up curbside or shipped to your home. This time is all about shopping local safely. To stay up to date with downtown businesses and upcoming events like the Thursday Night Market, please visit downtownchico.com. We are in this together and will come out stronger than we were before. See you downtown.
See you in downtown.
See you downtown.
See you in downtown.
See you in downtown.
See you downtown.
See you in downtown.